training, because we can all, especially as you get older, you become very stiff. So the first one's actually from Bagua Zhang. So start with, if you're holding the teacups, breathe out, breathe in. Then you can do it from lower stance if you want to do that more of a workout. Do it fast. 2, single. If you want to work the legs a wee bit more, stretch out. Breathe in, open the ribs, diaphragm turn, and then breathe out as you come around. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Yeah. Breathe in. As you turn on the right heel, left heel, starting to bring out the spine. Figure eights. To the whole body. I'm showing you an exercise with the sticks.
Yeah.
Pause that. It will become just arm hopping.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want your whole body to be involved in it. So if you do something a bit heavier in this, even be better. So if you're using just a natural momentum. So just using this action here, the arms straight, the wrists loose. Yeah. So it's this, over them. 1, 2, 1. So double figure eights. You get the whole body involved, all the whole kinetic chain, all the joints are being lubricated, and then on vacation you want to obviously shorten it down, but you've still the whole body, or just this. Yeah.
Yep.
And then the last one is from Shinny snake form. It's also in Karasao, Pinyas clawing hand in the Jaguar mantis, and it's in the 2-man fighting form as well, the Jaguar mantis. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't tense up against snake. So if you ever hold a snake, it's heavy and loose. Really big at the start, open the body, stretch out, stretch, stretch, okay? And then once you've opened up, then you can. There's other warm-ups, they're just my favourite ones. Open the joints, get the kinetic chain going, so that you don't just become a lot of short southern systems. You become very sort of just arm hoppy, and you forget about the rest of your body. All right.